What if I told you by the end of this mini class, you'll be able to build a fully functional contact list app in Flutter? Not just any demo app, but not a UI only mockup, but a real app with add, edit, delete, search functionality, dark mode, and persistent storage. If you already know a little Flutter and want to finally connect the dots, this class is for you. Let me quickly show you what we are going to build. In this app, you can add a contact, upload user pictures, set a name, an email, phone number, save that contact. It will appear over here. You can view the contact. You can long press and edit the contact. And you can save it. And if you don't want it, you can actually long press and you can delete it. You can search for a contact. You can sort it from ascending to descending and switch between light mode and dark mode. This is not a toy project. This is how real Flutter apps behave. In this mini class, you will learn how to structure a Flutter app properly, build reusable widgets the right way, navigation and passing data between screens, working with images and forms, creating models and clean data flow, using Hive for persistent local storage, implementing CRUD operations, dark mode with persistent settings, sorting and searching data efficiently, thinking like a real Flutter engineer, not just writing widgets, no magic shortcuts, no unwanted data, everything explained step by step. So if you're ready to stop watching tutorials and start building real Flutter apps, let's get started.